People, they are asking this question, sir. We have signed an agreement with this Oscar Technology or with any other data entry company, whether that agreement is real or fake, how we can came to know, how we can cross check it. Even they are sending us a legal notice that we have to pay 6,000 rupee, otherwise they will take an legal action against us for breach of contract under Indian Contract Act 1872 section 73-74. We have to come to the court, police station, and in lakhs of rupees we have to pay in the court. Legal notice I am receiving from Rajasthan Civil Code of Conduct that you have taken a work of automatic solution. So sir, how we can handle it, how we can come out, how we can cross check it? People are having a lot of question. Complete question answer will be given to you by our advocate, so that you don't have to worry about getting legal notice to your address or going to any court or police station or facing any legal issue. Even if it is required, we can talk on your behalf, so that you will get a complete peace of mind and you can save your time and money from these type of cyber fraud. So please don't pay to them, please don't listen to them, please don't waste your time on this type of work.